Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have entry level Waterman pen. So this is a Waterman that is not very expensive, and this is a Waterman Graduate chrome colored pen. So it is metallic chrome pen. It's a very good pen, light pen, a very good writer. So let's start from the cap. So it has a it says Waterman here on the cap. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, here is the Waterman, and we have a Waterman logo also here on the clip of the cap. The finial is very nice, nothing special on the finial, but still it looks simple and good. And even the back of the pen is very flat. So the nib is steel, medium nib. It also says Waterman, and it has a Waterman logo too. The grip section is plastic, and it takes Waterman proprietary cartridges or converters. This pen is of decent size. Right, if I compare this pen to other pens, like I have a Lamy Safari here. So you can see this pen is shorter than Lamy Safari, and I have a Parker Frontier also here, and it's almost the size of Parker Frontier, and it's that makes it a good pocket pen, a daily EDC pen. This pen, however, can be posted. If you want to post, this can be posted, and after posting it becomes of a decent size, big size, and it posts very fairly well. It does not falls off the cap. The only downside I see with this pen is that it takes your fingerprints a lot. Being a very shiny pen, so it easily takes up your fingerprints. You can see this whole pen is now filled up with my fingerprints. So to keep its shine, you have to keep this, keep polishing this pen. Otherwise, there is no problem with this pen. It writes well, and it takes decent amount of ink. So let's do a small writing sample with this. Okay, so today we have Waterman Graduate Chrome. Very good writer, and the ink just flows very well in this pen. The feed keeps up very well, and the nib is very smooth. Ink is green black, and paper is Rhodia. So let's write something. So there's no problem with this pen. It never skips. This pen has never skipped at all. And even if you write very fast, the feed and the nib keeps up. There's no skipping at all. It gives a decent amount of ink, and there is no flex at all because it's a steel nib. So overall, if you want to have a good pen, good branded pen at a decent amount of money, it costs around $3,000 rupees, Indian rupees. In India, that's around, I would say, $50 maybe. Yeah, it's around $50. So this is a very decent pen. This is a very good investment, value for money, I would say. And you can, it's a pocket pen. You don't need any kind of special pen pouches for this. You can just keep it in your pocket and have it everywhere you go. So that's it, I think, for today, and thank you for watching.